Good morning, everyone. We're getting ready to take off on a 3-day trip in preparation for Florida to Alaska, and we've got the bikes. One of them's partially loaded down, and we're getting ready. My KTM over here is pretty much fully loaded down. I'm sure it looks like it's overdone, but we're going to be living off the bikes and camping the whole time, so we had to take a bunch of camping gear, tent, chairs, sleeping pads. So we've got quite a bit of gear. And my wife's bike out here is a Yamaha 250 XT, and that fits her really well. I'll back up here just a little bit so you can get a look at it. She's getting packed up here, and my friend and I have KTM 790 Adventure Rs. Welcome to the trip. Well, we have arrived at our destination at a friend's house for today. We're gonna catch up on old times here, and I'll give you a little bit of footage because it's really a cool location. It's right on a lake near Floral City, Florida, and our friend has access to the lake here, in which it's excellent bass fishing, and the neighbor has a uniquely Florida style boat, an airboat for shallow draft. Good morning, everyone. We're here in Floral City yet, and we had breakfast at the Shamrock Tavern here right downtown Floral City, Florida, and we stopped off here and talked to the owner. He was off the owner of Citrus Cycle, Wayne. He's off to Daytona Bike Week. That's what time of year it is right now. You Harley riders, if you need anything, stop off here at Citrus Cycle and he'll get you all set up. I'll just pan around the city here just a little bit. The traffic's already getting pretty heavy. If you like twisty roads, West Ozello Trail Road off of Florida State Road 19 south of Crystal River. It is non-stop twisties all the way out to the end. It's a great motorcycle ride. Give it a try. Boy, the day just keeps getting better, as you can probably tell from the smile on my face. First we had twisties, and now we've made it out to the beach here. I'll give you a picture, and there's some people flying some kites. It's kind of cool. Well, we've had a full day of riding today. We got a lot done. We're all kind of a little bit tired. We're in a little campground. We've pitched our tents and are getting ready to get settled in here before it gets too terribly dark. Thanks for watching the video. Good morning. Welcome to day 3 of our shakedown of our equipment for our Florida to Alaska trip that we're going to be taking. We're finding some things out about what gear will work and what gear won't work and what we would like to change and what have you. We stayed in a campground last night right next to I-75 here at Silver Lake in Florida, and it was so noisy it was hard for all of us to get some sleep here. This is not a campground for tenters. It would be okay if you were in an RV, but tenting it is just way too loud. Today's going to be a pretty quick day as far as getting back home here. We're going to take, instead of taking back roads like we did on the way up here and doing Forest Service type roads, we're going to hit the highways, not interstate, but highways, get ourselves back home here a little bit quicker today due to some scheduling issues that we want to take care of. So, but we'll try and get some good video today of some interesting things and post that along with this video. Have a good day. Let's ride. Hi everyone, welcome back. When I'd left you, we were just leaving the park and I was going to shoot some more footage for you. However, unfortunately, I dropped the bike and hurt my leg, so we headed back on the interstate. So I didn't shoot any extra footage of our 3-day shakedown, Florida to Alaska, but we did learn some things along the way and loading the bike, and we're going to change some things a little bit for that. Unfortunately, the current events here across the United States and the world with COVID-19 have changed our plans since the border to Canada has been closed to all but essential travel. We've decided that realistically it's not going to be attainable to try and make it up to Alaska this summer like we had originally thought. So what we're going to try to do, hopefully, is go to a plan B and start doing some of the Trans-America Trail or TAT Trail, starting at the Atlantic coast and heading west, hopefully this fall sometimes, conditions permitting, if we're allowed to get out and go. In the meantime, I'm going to try to provide you some additional videos just here around the house with the motorcycles to kind of give you an idea of what we're doing with the motorcycles as far as accessorizing them and getting them ready to go for long distance travel. So hopefully all of you are doing well and staying well. Keep your social distancing, and we'll see you in the next video. Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.